Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have some amazing news. It's December 1st. Happy December, everybody, because December is going to be an amazing month and it's snowing outside, so we're gonna have a white Christmas. So guys, I just wanted to let you guys know we're gonna have an amazing Christmas. So I'll be launching Vlogmas, but it's gonna be cooking edition, so that means that I will be dropping a YouTube video every single day until Christmas Day. So you guys stay tuned because I'm coming with some cooking videos for y'all, some easy simple recipes, quick to make, easy to follow. So also, if you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know and I'll definitely prepare it and post on my channel. So drop them in the comments, guys, and let me know what you guys would like to see me cooking this Christmas. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. We're going to have a December to remember. Okay, see y'all later. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, and share my video, and follow us on Instagram at Luxurious Dream Events. I'd appreciate it, guys. But yeah, we're definitely going to have a December to remember. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.